Good day, everyone, especially to Mom Eunice. I am Shermina Francisco, a first-year student at Bohol International Learning College. We, the students of Bohol International Learning College, Group 3, were excited to present our project called The Two Phases of Nature. This project shows how human can either be harm or protect nature.
Hi, I am Arlene Gambilan and this is my team. Francisco Shermaine, Habelo Marianne, and Barbie Helicania. In my introduction, in recent years, the impact of climate change has become increasingly apparent, affecting communities across the globe. This project proposal addresses the urgent needs for climate resilience through a multi-sectoral approach that integrates environmental sustainability, economic development, and social equity. By focusing on sustainable livelihoods and fostering community empowerment, we can establish a framework that not only mitigates the adverse effects of climate change, but also enhances the overall well-being of vulnerable population. This project addresses the issues of environmental degradation and climate change. Many places are suffering from air and water population, deforestation, and the effects of global warming like drought and extreme heat. These problems are primarily caused by human activities, including the industrial population, careless waste disposal, and the over-exploitation of natural resources. At the same time, we want to show that protecting the environment leads to peace, beauty, and life. So, for my explanation of these reports, we can see climate change happening now. There is no more heat, dirty air, and water problems. Trees are being cut and trashed in everywhere. These are caused by human action like population, throwing waste, and using too many natural resources. But we believe we can still fix this. Our project shows two sides, the bad side of population and the good sides of a clean earth.
Hello, good day everyone, especially to Mom Eunice. I would like to introduce myself. I am Mary Ann B. Habello, a first-year student of Bohol International Learning College. We made this project with 5 main goals. First, to show how pollution and climate change hurt our planet. Second, to help people see the difference between a bad and good environment. Third, to encourage everyone to protect our nature. Fourth, to use art to give a strong and clear message. And lastly, to make people aware of how serious these problems are.
Good day everyone, especially to Ma'am Eunice. I am Barbison Halicanya from Group 3. And I would like to share to all of you about my learnings in this topic or my knowledge about our topic, and also I would like to read the conclusion and the target audience. The two phases of nature would likely the young individuals who are interested in environmental issues and sustainability. Youth activities, individuals who are already engaged in environmental activism and want to further their knowledge and impact. Students, high school and college students who are studying environmental science, sustainability, or related fields and want to take practical action. Young professionals, recent graduates and young professionals who are interested in integrating sustainability into their careers or starting eco-friendly initiatives. Community leaders, young individuals who hold leadership roles in their communities, such as student council or youth group leaders, and want to promote eco-conscious behavior. Target audience, educators and trainers, teachers, mentor, and educators who work with young people and want to incorporate environmental sustainability into their teaching strategies, volunteers, youth who are passionate about environmental causes and want to contribute their time and energy to make a positive impact. Local government representative. Young individuals involved in local government or policy making who are interested in advancing environmental initiatives in their areas. Social media influence. Youth with a significant online presence who can leverage their platforms to raise awareness about environmental sustainability and inspire others to make actions. Youth groups and clubs. Members of youth clubs, organizations, and associations that focus on environmental issues or social issues. General public. While the primary target is young individuals, the project might also aim to raise awareness and engage a wider audience in environmental sustainability. The project proposal likely aims to empower and educate these individuals about environmental challenge, sustainable practice, and leadership skills, with the goal of inspiring them to take actions that contribute to a more eco-conscious and sustainable future.
In this photos is a visual art as it uses oil pastel on a paper to create a visual contrast between environmental destruction, population, drought, dead trees, and environmental balance, green fields, rivers, and fresh air. The drawing is divided into two sides, one showing a populated city and cracked land, the other showing a peaceful green countryside with a flowing river.
In this project, we followed 6-day plan. Day 1, concept planning. Day 2, research about climate change and the factors of climate change. Day 3, sketching. And day 4, finalization of our artwork, the visual arts, which is drawing. And day 4 is day 5, take photos and write our reflections, and last day, presenting the project.
We use these things to finish the project: oil pastels, drawing paper, pencil and eraser, fixative spray, this is an optional, camera or phone for picture, poster board for display.
Conclusion. The two faces of nature serves as a poignant call to action highlighting our collective responsibility for the future of our planet. Through this project, we aim to inspire others to recognize the critical importance of environmental protection and to make more sustainable choices for a greener, cleaner world. I possess the power to convey profound message, and through this drawing, I am hopeful that I can serve as a catalyst for a meaningful change. In the Endeavor, we seek to help others understand the significance of safeguarding our environment and embracing better practice for a healthier planet. Art can indeed be a powerful voice, and I believe that through these artworks, that voice has the potential to spark significant transformation.